I'm an Apple user through and through. I use the iPhone, the iPad, the iMac, the Apple Watch, the MacBook Pros, and yes, all of the Apple TVs and many, many, many more of the Apple services. I just got a smartphone, and it wasn't an iPhone. It was actually the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. That is right, but where does an Android device fit into an Apple ecosystem? That is what I need to answer in order to break the consistency of the Apple logos everywhere. Can I live inside the Apple ecosystem with the S22 Ultra? I first had to think about this for a little bit. Meditate even. Meditation. After some intense soul searching, it came down to one question. Am I afraid of having a lesser device? Am I afraid of people not being able to reach me? Am I afraid of losing my text messages? I don't think I'm asking the right questions. Well, it's one question that's going to give me many answers. What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? The only real thing that has me strapped to my iPhone is iMessage, maybe FaceTime, maybe Apple Pay. So it's iMessage. It's a motherfucking iMessage. iMessage, really? That is what's keeping me locked to a device, to an ecosystem, an app, a service, a sense of belonging, being part of, not being left out, not being a blue bubble. But this isn't exactly just text message we're talking about. No. Let's just say it's a little bit more than just a text message. It's a complete messaging service that brings all sorts of fun options into the conversation, including music, emojis, you get an indicator when someone's replying back, and Apple makes it really easy to send money back and forth with Apple Pay inside the conversation. Not to mention all the cool kids have it. But is that enough to keep me loyal to a company that only sees my value as the dollars I spend on their products? Do they deserve my loyalty? Do they really have that much control over me, over you, over them, over everyone? Do they have that much control? The answer is no. I can break free and I can enjoy any device I want. I have the freedom to use my S22 Ultra. I have the freedom to pick the services I want to use. I have the freedom to choose to be a green bubble. That's right. I'm a green bubble. But how do I carry on without this iMessage magic? So I put some thinking into it, and the feature I enjoy the most having is iMessage sync to all my devices. Everything else I can supplement the services that are not specific to a mobile OS. Payments, Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay, Zelle. Ever hear of Google Photos? Dropbox? Unless you use Google Photos or something like Dropbox, there's no app that I found that allows me to access my iCloud photos on an Android device. So I just sync everything up to Google Photos no matter what. So what's holding me back then? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. If you're using Google Messages and you have chat activated, then you're getting read receipts. You're getting response notifications. You're getting high resolution photos and videos super fast. The point of this video is to acknowledge that you too can free yourself from Apple's iMessage. You don't have to be locked into an entire ecosystem to enjoy some of their products. You have the freedom to choose an iPhone 13, Pro Max, OnePlus 9, even the Samsung S22 Ultra, also known as S22 Note. You don't have to pledge loyalty to Apple. You can do what you want. You will not suffer. You will not lose friends. You will not lose anything. What you will get is a whole bunch of shady comments from people commenting on your change from blue to green. That's about it. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. I appreciate all the time we got to spend together today. Thanks for watching. For the love of tech. Till next time, namaste.